Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones Futures. I'm going to do another quick update of the afternoon and evening session here before I change levels more. But again, I want to go over how this was a direct long setup with the reclaim level right above it. So what happens is when you get a sell sometimes, you'll go straight down and there will be no failed breakdown in close proximity that you want to take. From the entry of this failed breakdown will be almost 20 points or more above the low, which is fine. Some cases, probably the most you ever want, but like in the sense, even it just doesn't make sense. So what you can do though is you can assume that it's kind of like a zone, and like if it comes near and bounces right away and shows that there's support there, and then reclaims the minor level above, you can go long there on a level reclaim. You'd have to give it some space, probably as low as below this level for a few minutes possibly, but it could probably come right back up and reclaim after. But in general, that's what a dip and reclaim would be. It'd be a direct tag of this, but since you didn't get there, you'd have to wait for here. Otherwise, you could even long here directly if it had tagged or dipped a little bit below or tagged a level below, and you could have went long right exactly where this red line is, which is now the new low that I'm looking for a failed breakdown. If we don't get as low as that low, then maybe a dip below this, and then I need a level above to recover. Most likely this level, I'm going to look into levels shortly. Um, on the fly, I can see that there's some relevance here on both sides. Excuse me. But in general, we went back to hit the middle of this bull flag and rejected there. So that's the next resistance above. Below, we have some support here as well as down here now, which is the Jackson Hole long. Otherwise, if we can continue pushing up and reclaim this level as I have reclaim here, the above targets will be this back test for the second time, and really the third now because of this test right here, I'd say, and then back through the top of the bull flag. So let's see what setup we get. If we can pull back and get another entry here, that'd be great. Otherwise, this bull flag has now been going on for over a week, and it could be ready to test the resistance and take off for more. My current target for that Dow Jones is around 46.3 to 46.5, and I think we should get there definitely with the breakout of this bull flag most likely. Let's see if we get another dip and recovery of this bull flag, or if it continues to expand. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and just show you what's going on otherwise here in Dow Jones Futures. Once again, we're just out here flagging again after flagging above the bull flag here below. Just a slow grind, steady grind up, and many opportunities to get long. You can see a clear failed breakdown right here on a 4-hour chart. Another one here happened when we lost these lows. We also back tested this breakout zone. We could test it again even deeper and work with these lows from 2 weeks ago. Although you have to be cautious because if you're selling that much, you want to make sure you really reclaim the levels down there. But I do already have failed breakdown here. That'll be like a trigger once you undercut this low, and then failed breakdown. This major line will be a trigger once you undercut this low and recover. Probably want to recover the orange minor level above to be safe if you're only dipping here. You could even get a long directly tagging this level and reclaiming the level above. Let's see if we get down there. Otherwise, this is looking good for the targets I have above.